Hello and welcome to another Templatic theme overview. With this video we'll try to showcase all the new features that come with Real Estate 2 upgrade, as well as compare this theme with its previous version. There's a lot of ground to cover, so let's get started. First thing you'll probably already notice is the fact that design is virtually identical. Since we received a lot of positive feedback on real estate design, it was decided early on that it won't be changed. That said, there are some tweaks in front end as well. One of the changes you'll probably notice right away is the inclusion of property tags. These tags can be created in backend and applied to each property. Let's quickly create a new tag and add it to this visitor villa property. We need to go to the backend, real estate, basic settings, property listing settings. We can add the tag right here. We just type, let's say, new. Now we open the property, visitor villa, and here at the end of custom settings, we select the new tag. We can type new, and we assign colors. Let's say red and orange. Let's update, and we can see the new tag applied to our property. One of the cool features in the original real estate theme was the ability to quickly change the category listing view from list to grid. We can see that here. This feature is also available in Real Estate 2, but now we also have an included map view. This map is also available as a page template and comes with its own section in backend. Submit property form is one of the things that received the most attention with this upgrade. All the fields you see here are created using custom fields feature and can be changed in the back end. Let's try renaming this zip code field so you can see how easy it is. We need to go to Real Estate, Advanced Settings, Manage Custom Fields. Here we need to find zip code. Here it is. And let's change its front end field name. You can call it area code. When we return to the front end and refresh, we can see the name is changed. Another big change in the submission form are price packages. With price packages, making money is much easier. Unlike the previous version, which enabled you to create only 2 different payment plans, now you can create as many as you need. Icing on the cake is the ability to make category-specific price packages as well as recurring packages. We can see price packages in the back end here. If we click on this Add a new price package, you can see options like applying a specific category, and here we can see the recurring option. You can also set things like special price for featuring the listing on homepage and on the category page. I mentioned earlier that most of the changes were in the backend, so let's stay here and take a better look. One thing you likely already noticed is the new post type for properties. With this you can finally have an unlimited number of block categories compared to only one in the previous version. Real Estate 2 follows the same back-end design as most our newer themes. The new back-end is much easier to read and navigate. Basic settings are similar to design settings in the older version. We can see the old version here. This is how the settings used to look. There are a lot of options available here in basic settings, so we won't go through all of them. But in general settings you can set things like your logo or favicon, while map page settings enable you to specify a specific point on the map or show all available listings. Advanced settings is where you will change options for things like your currency, payment methods, and before mentioned price packages and custom fields. Bulk upload is also available here, just like it was in the last version, but now you can export things as well as import them. In case you have any questions about Real Estate 2 or basically any other templating theme, feel free to contact us at any time. Thanks for watching.